everybody, this is Stacy. I have another little share for you today. This is a new digital kit that I have available in my Etsy store. It's kind of a happy mail, thinking of you, pen pal sort of thing. And this is what comes with it, except for the envelope. I do give you a template for that. But it does come with a little letter that you can put the recipient's name and sign your, put your signature. And this says, the sun warms the body, the ocean stirs the soul, time spent with both renews the spirit. Hopefully this bit of happy mail has transported you to a familiar place of sun, surf, and a renewed spirit, without the sand in your bathing suit. Warm wishes. So I thought that was kind of cute, so that goes in there. And then I showed this to you, and you may recognize this from my intro. This is in my intro video, and it has the Jules Verne quote on it. And then we have a little card for you to write your own quote, or I don't know, shower thought, scripture, message, whatever, you know, whatever you want to do, something, a message of encouragement maybe. And then we've got two little paint chips, the colors of the sun and surf. And I named these paint chips the sun. These are all names for the sun in different languages. So this is Spanish, French, I believe that's Latin, and then German. I don't know if you can see that. The camera zooming in. And then for the surf, these are all places that are wonderful tropical places. Maldives, Bahama, Caribbean, and Key West. And then also included these little tickets. And these are, you know, kind of made to look like tickets from, you know, the boardwalk amusements. And so just to kind of remind you of your favorite games maybe you played when you were a kid, going to the beach or something like that. This set also comes with, this time I did address labels. So there's two different kinds of address labels. And it also comes with an envelope template. So let me show you really quickly how this is all set up. So when you print these out, you'll get 5 PDFs. So the first one will have all of this good stuff on here. And then I'm going to talk about paper too. It says if you don't have like a fantastic printer, like I don't, paper really matters. And maybe even if you do have a great printer, I think the difference in paper makes all the difference in the world. So anyways, this is printed out on matte photo paper. And so I also throw in my little boat logo with a little circle around it. So you can, you know, you can write something on that or stick it to the envelope or I don't know. So, and then this is what they look like if you shrink them down, which I thought it'd be super cute to shrink these down for your journal or your scrapbook. So this is half size, and then this is quarter size. Isn't that cute? So cute. And then these are the address labels. So you get 2 different kinds of address labels, and they are a good size. So for those of you like myself who have large handwriting, there you go. And then these are what these look like shrunk to size, or shrunk down. This is half size, and this is quarter size. And I just think these are adorable. You can make tags out of these. You can make stickers out of these. And actually I did. I'll show you that in a minute. And then you get an envelope template that you can take any kind of 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, run it through your printer and print this out. And then you just cut on the solid lines and fold on the dotted lines so you can make your own envelope that will fit everything perfectly. So this is original size. If you print in original size, it'll give you a little more room. If you fit to print, it'll be a little smaller, but you can still, you know, everything will still print in there. So let me show you the stickers. So I made stickers out of everything. I shrunk them down quarter size. And how cute would these be in a journal? they're so little and they're so cute, and it'd be so fun in a journal. And this is label paper. This is full sheet clear label paper. So you print these on there and you cut them out, and you can also write on it. So like these little labels, you could, write Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You could put another sticker on top. You could write, a thought on there. So, and then look at the little teeny tiny tickets. They're so cute. You could cut these apart. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then this, my little circle logo, actually makes a really great, where did I put that envelope? These make really great envelope seals too. So you can print these out on, white sticker paper, or do what I did, print it out on the clear sticker paper. Either way, super, super cute, and it gives you another option. And since this is a DigiKit, you can print as many as you want to do whatever you want with, except, resell it. That should be a given. Not for commercial use, personal use only, but here's what the stickers look like when they're printed out on the sticker paper. So super, super cute. Okay, so really quickly, let's talk about the different kinds of paper. Okay, so I have 3 different examples of different kinds of paper. I print this stuff out on matte photo paper, and so you have nice, deep, rich color, okay? So this is what they look like printed on 65-pound cardstock. And you can see the difference, okay? So this is the good paper, this is the cardstock. And then I also have print them out just on regular copy paper. So depending on what you're trying to accomplish, you can pick your paper, but if you want, and the copy paper actually, the copy paper and the cardstock are actually not that much different. They're fairly the same. So, but if you want a bolder, richer colors for, doing digital printing, the matte photo paper is made to take the heavy ink. So, anyways, it's just beautiful. I think the difference is, totally night and day. But, and then of course the picture, I printed this picture out on, this is a soft gloss photo paper. Now this would do really well if you don't want to make 2, if you don't want to buy, both kinds of paper. This would do really well on the matte photo paper as well. So I didn't print that out to show you. I guess I should have, but trust me, it will. It'll look good on the matte photo paper. And it will not look so good on any of these other papers. So paper matters. Print settings also matter too. So, but if you're having trouble with your printing out digital things, things like this, making cards or whatever, rethink the type of paper that you are using, and also your print settings. I don't have that great of a printer, but I can change my print settings to, best quality, and I can flood a little more ink in there and that kind of thing when I go to print this stuff out. So a lot of it is trial and error, figuring out what your best outcome is going to be. But yeah, so paper though, for sure, paper. Anyways, I think that's all I have for you guys. I think coming up, I have a couple things coming up. Oh, what's going on? I'll have another journal share, and then a friend asked me to make a traveler's notebook, and then I'll have some of that great graphic 45 paper in it. But anyways, yeah, that's it. So you guys have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you back here real soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.